Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. This is Priceless Clean Makeover. If you are new, thanks for stopping by. Please like, subscribe, share and drop your comments, and also let me know the look you want me to create next. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for sticking around with us. So my client wanted a very bold look for her birthday makeup, and I just started off with this blue contact lens from Avourcosmetics. I'm just going to be fixing it right in, just like I'm doing it. So it was a hair and makeup studio session, and I've just finished with a frontal and laying it down. And so after the contact lens, I will have to go over to prepping the face. Before that, let me give this shout out to my client for allowing me film her. Not every client will allow you to film her, but she, despite her time being short, she was able to allow me to film her. And so during the skin prep, like you know, you will always allow every product you apply to dry. And so I've just cleaned the face with my micellar water. After letting it dry, I went out to moisturize the lip with my lip balm and go in with my all-time favorite serum from Dr. Rashell Cosmetics. After that, I will blend it into the skin just like I'm doing it. Then I will go over to moisturizing the face. So once your serum is dry, you have to moisturize the face all over. Yeah, during skin prep, your serum, you apply it all over the face, and your moisturizer too all over the face, but especially under the eye should be your area of concentration. After that, I'll go in with my sweat block from Adventure Cosmetics, and then use my all-time favorite Stay Matte Primer, to prime the face and to get it ready for the foundation. Yeah, this is how the face look after that. Then I'm going over with my favorite foundation, Nigerian brand V Beauty, and then spreading it all over the face. I will go ahead and use my all-time favorite green tea spray to hydrate this foundation into the skin, and then use my foundation brush to blend first, and now damp it in with my beauty blender. This is me going in with my Pro Concealer from Spotless Cosmetics, and then I will be blending it and contouring the face with a 2 shade darker to the skin, and then doing my cheek contour too with the same 2 shade darker foundation, like you can see. Now going over to presetting the skin, especially the 5 areas that I highlighted, and then after presetting, I will also be setting, just like you are seeing me doing here. Yeah, I was able to do some of the things offline because my client's time was so short, and because she even allowed me to film her despite the short time she has, so I was able to rush things. So don't mind the rush. So after setting the face with my setting powder from RCMA Cosmetics, this is how it's looking. Yeah, the one on the cheek, I use it to lift the cheek contour up so that the face will have a lift. Then I went over with my Karite gel liner to draw my eyebrows. This is me drawing the eyebrow. After outlining your brows, you have to fill your brows very lightly. Yeah, this might not be the most detailed face makeup you'll be seeing on my channel. If you need to see the most detailed face makeup, I have other videos that you will see in my channel. So just do it to check them out and drop your comments while you watch. So after outlining my brows, I will also have to contour the brows, conceal the brows, sorry, and then go over with my Ben White eyeshadow primer to make a base and to apply my eyeshadow. Yeah, it is a transition eyeshadow look because it's the fastest eyeshadow look you can ever create whenever you don't have time as a makeup artist. So I'm going over with a color white to blend in with the red I applied to give it a transition look. And then you have to blend off harsh lines between the concealer and the eyeshadow you applied, making sure that the onlookers looking at the makeup will not see any harsh line on it. Yeah, so I will also have to use my concealer to wing out the eyeshadow to give it that lift, as you can see, and then use my setting powder to dry off the area. Then I will also outline the lash line by applying my thin layer of mascara and eyeliner to give the eye a volume, and then fix my eyelashes as you are seeing me do. And please guys, do not mind my baby boy for making noise at the background. He was just playing, and I'm a nursing mother, that's why. You have to press the eyelash to make sure it is sitting well with the natural lash, so that when the person looks up, you will not see any difference between the artificial lashes you just fixed and the original lashes. So I'm just going to use my finishing powder to dust off the setting powder on the face, and especially on the lip area. After that, I'm going over to applying the lippy with my all-time favorite lip stem from Avourcosmetics. I will outline the lip with a coffee shade and also fill in the lip with my orange color shade, just like I'm doing it. Then apply some thin layers of nude pro concealer and then blend everything together and spread the face. After spraying the face, I also highlighted the chin bone with my all-time favorite glow from Yanga Beauty, and then bringing out the glow in the face. Then I will go ahead and rearrange my brows using my schoolie brush to brush it out and make it look more natural. The look is already giving a banger. What do you think about this look? You like? Would you love to rock? This is how my client is looking at the end of the day, and I'm going to gloss the lip to complete the look. How is giving Bambi? This is the finished look, guys. What do you think about this glam? Is giving or not? Check out the hair. It's only priceless clean makeover. My client ate and left no crumbs. It's only your favorite glam queen that can do this. This is how she was rocking the glam. This is her outfit #1 for the photo shoot, and the hair is also giving. So why not give us a try? Give this video a thumbs up. If you like what you're seeing, like, subscribe, drop me your comments. Let me know what you think about this look. Is it a yeah or a nay? Thank you for watching at this point. I love you guys so much, and looking forward to dropping a new episode of Bare to Beauty next week, Monday. Bye guys, and thanks for watching. I love you guys. Mwah.